What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today got another nice short and sweet video for you guys. It's from one of my sponsors, Extreme Online Store. Look at that beautiful etching right there. And what we're doing today is rain guards. I was doing some work on the car and obviously it broke, and actually it's a really nice break, I'll tell you that. Really seamless, like no splinters or anything like that. But coincidentally, I had bought this from Amazon a long time ago, and it was from Extreme Online Store. And the reason why I bought this a long time ago, I'm talking about years ago, was because from the research I've done, they actually made the best rain guards. Not only where you have a 3M backing to stick it to your door / close to the window, but they also have additional hardware as well to reinforce it, so it can't just break off and fall off or whatever in case the 3M adhesive fails. You know what I'm saying? Now, I already have my other set over here. Forgive my messy garage, but if you look over here, look how nice these look. Look at the hardware. This is the reinforcement right here, but they're really, really nice. So what I did was, I ended up taking off the broken piece because it got a little crack on it, and I was like, you know what, no. And then I reached out to Extreme Online Store, reached out to Eric, and he sent me that new set. So make sure you clean up your door frame, and let me show you how this works real quick. Oh guys, not to forget, in the box you're gonna get a set of 4, and it comes with the appropriate hardware. Now, the hardware, if you notice, there's some studs right here, inserts, and rubber boots. And I just want to show you how it works real quick. So let's go over to the car. Now, when you end up lining this up to the window, okay, you end up lining this up to the window, and you'll see it. You scoot it over right to where this edge here, that edge meets the edge of the door. So you're putting your rain guard somewhere right around there, okay? And it's nice, it's nice. It's a nice R&D went into this. Now you see where this hole is? If you pay attention to where that hole is, okay? It's right around here. So that is where we're putting our stud. You're gonna insert it like so. Just give it a little wiggle, and it tucks between the rubber and the frame. And that's important because, as I said before, not only are you using 3M tape to make this adhere to the actual door, but these studs with the inserts, they help reinforce it. So let's say your 3M tape fail, it's not gonna just break off and fly off, you know what I'm saying? At least it'll hold on. By the time you get home or whatever, you can at least fix it, you know what I'm saying? So looking at where the holes are on the rain guard itself, one of them right here, and one of them was right around here. Now, if you need to adjust it, you can always slide it. That's not a problem, okay? And yeah, you could slide it up, down, or whatever the case might be. So let's leave it there in the meantime. And if we need to slide it at the end, we can always do that. You know what I'm saying? Now guys, I know it's a little cramped in my garage, but this is just perfect because it's a little bit wet outside. It rained last night, and I don't take this boy out in the rain. I got a show to go to tonight, so that's not the issue. Now, once again, as I said before, make sure you wipe down the frame properly so there's no type of grease or oil or anything like that. If you want, you can use some brake cleaner or what have you at home. Just something to get any type of grease or anything like that off, okay? Now, what we're doing here now, we're gonna match this bad boy up. Now, obviously take off your 3M tape. Now you don't have to take the whole thing off, just leave some hanging, okay? Just like so. Ended up cutting my nails yesterday and they're so short. Pain in the ass. There we go. So let's leave that right there. Now, as I said, we're gonna be we're gonna be putting this right damn near, this is gonna be right on the edge of the door. So make sure you have a nice straight hand when you're doing this. And remember, the visor also goes with the curvature of the window. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Now guys, I would also recommend doing this in, you know, temperatures that I would say at least 60 degrees and up. It'll just help your cause even more. Oh man, I put those studs in like almost exact. It's freaking cool. All right, give me 1 second. Let's get something like this bad boy down. All right, my allergies, forgive me, my allergies are just jacked up today. So now after you wipe it down, let me show you. So now, if you look back here, you'll see this is the stud that we put in before. Notice how you can see right through. The stud is behind it. I don't know if you can see it there. Right here. You can see it right through the visor and the stud. And the same goes for this one as well. So it's as simple as that, guys. You put in the stud first, you stick it, then you slide the stud afterwards to match up the holes, and this is the final piece. All right, guys, for the next step, you got to take the stud and insert it through the hole, this hole right here. Now, I just want to show you a little bit of a demonstration. I want to show you in broad daylight. So now, if you notice, I got a couple extra studs right here. See this one, it looks taller and it's pretty much straight. This one is shorter and the top of it is flared out. That is because when you insert it through the hole of the rain guard or the visor, okay? Once you insert it through the hole, you put the cap on it like so. Okay, now, and then what you do is you push on both sides, this side and this side. And when you push it, the top of the cap goes into the insert more and it flares out the prongs. It's almost like an anchor in your sheetrock inside your house. It's just as similar as it can be. That's the best way I can describe it for you. So what happens is once it flares, it reinforces where it can't back out. So at least you have some type of security in case something was to happen, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the insert in, fasten it, and you'll see the end product. Okay, push it in, not too hard. Then you put the rubber boot behind it. And then you start really putting some pressure and you hear it. And what happens is those prongs spread open inside the rubber boot where that metal ring is. And it's reinforced, and it's tight. And that's it. So there you go, guys. The install is complete, nice and seamless, perfectly spaced, and it's strong as heck. Also, as I said, I love how these inserts, it's almost like rivets. I love the inserts because imagine, let's say you were in colder climates or the 3M failed for some reason or whatever the case might be. This is actually, these rivets here or these inserts, they're gonna hold on to the visor until you could, you know, take it out and redo your 3M tape, you know, on the inside edges or whatever. So you're not gonna end up losing a visor. I see many visors like that. I see a lot of guys selling visors where you're just sticking it to the frame without any regard to like, what if the 3M tape fails, if you get what I'm saying. So anyway, guys, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment. Eric, thank you so much. Eric is no stranger to this channel. Guys, I have links up already. You can click on them for various videos. Like, look at these badass side skirts right here. Those are sponsored by Eric. This beautiful VRS lip. You can't beat this stuff, man. So as I said, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and I will talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.